Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a complete integration between Outgrow and Google Sheets, so you can automatically send leads from your interactive content directly into your spreadsheets. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Outgrow account, a valid Google account, a live Outgrow calculator or quiz, and a Google Sheet where you'd like your lead data to be stored. Now, log into your Outgrow account and open the live content piece you want to integrate with Google Sheets. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the Configure tab and click on Integrations. Under Native Integrations, you'll find Google Sheets. Click on the Configure button. Now click on Authenticate to connect your Google account and allow all the permissions. Once your account is successfully connected, you'll see two setup options: Proceed with Sheet or Proceed with Segment. You'll also notice the Configure Visit Trigger option. If enabled, this allows visitor details to be passed into Google Sheets even before lead capture. Now, if you want all leads to go into one spreadsheet, choose Proceed with Sheet. Here, simply select the Google Sheet and the worksheet where you'd like all your Outgrow lead information to be added. This is where you connect your Outgrow form fields and responses like calculator name, full name, and email to the corresponding columns in Google Sheets. Take a moment to review your mappings carefully to ensure all lead information is synced accurately. Once you're done, click on Test Connection. If everything looks good, click Finish to activate the integration. If you want to organize leads based on different audience groups or outcomes, choose Proceed with Segment. And that's it. Your Outgrow and a Google Sheets integration is now live. You'll now see a live indicator on the Google Sheets integration block confirming the setup is active. Once the integration is configured, you'll also have access to additional actions like Reconfigure if you need to reconnect to a different Google account, View Mapping to review your field mappings anytime, Task History where you can monitor synced, waiting, or failed leads, and Deactivate if you want to temporarily stop sending leads to Google Sheets. To verify your integration, simply submit a test lead through your Outgrow content piece and check your connected Google Sheet to confirm the data has synced successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Outgrow with Google Sheets and automated your lead collection workflow. Ready to simplify lead management and reporting? Start integrating Outgrow with Google Sheets today and turn every interaction into actionable data.